Module 3, Section 12, MySQL Delete. In this section, we will learn how to delete records in a table. So before that, let me summarize the previous sections of this module. So in this section, we learn how to modify the columns in a table using alter table command, and in section 10 we learn how to rename or drop column in a table. That also we do through alter table command. And in section 11 we learn how to update rows or records in a table using update table command. So here in this section I am starting deleting records in a table. So suppose in last section we have modify our table and we have added few columns and few records in this table. Now this is our these are the records present in our table. There are 7 records and 2 records are duplicates, right? So now in this table we suppose we want to delete the record of those records whose first name have Rina. Okay, so for that we can use delete command. So the syntax for delete command is, first it starts from delete from. After from we specify the table name from which we want to delete the records. Then where clause. In where clause we specify the condition for which we want to delete. Like suppose here I want to delete records, those records whose first name have Rina, right? So so my condition is first name equal to Rina, right? So uh, so this is my condition, right? So I don't want to delete those records other than Rina. Only I want to delete records which have Rina in the first name, right? So this is my condition. So first of all, first step in deletion is identify the condition, and then check the table name for which you want to delete. Okay. Now, so how can we write the query for this requirement? So query will be delete from. Here I will specify the table name. My table name is employee details, right? And condition I can mention in where clause. This is my condition, right? So this is my whole delete statement. So let's execute this query in MySQL workbench and let's check the result. So I have opened the SQL, and let me open a new query tab. So first of all let's check the uh, records in the employee detail table. So it is a good practice that you should check the existing records in a table, then only you give delete command. Okay, so this is my table. Select star from employee details. Let's execute this. So these are the records present in table, and there are 7 records, and I want to delete record which have Rina in the first name. So once after execution of the delete query, there should be only these records. 5 records should left and 2 records should get deleted. So let's execute that query which we have written. So this is my query, and here I am writing this query, right? So this is my delete query. Delete from employee details where first name equal to Reena, right? So here when we copy paste there is some problem in apostrophe, so I am changing it back. Okay, so this is my correct query. Let's run this query. So I am running this. So this is successfully executed, and it's giving the message 2 rows affected. Now let's check the records in employee detail table again by executing select star from employee detail query. So this time it's showing only 5 records. Okay, so both the records which belongs to Reena got deleted. So this is all about this section 12 of module 3, in which we learn the deleting records in a table. Okay, so deletion with multiple condition we will learn when we I start logical operate use of logical operations. That will be that I will be covering in the next session. So this is all about module 3. And the next section we will start module 4, which is use of logical operators on to retrieve data. So till then you practice it and let me know if any doubts comes up. Thank you. Bye bye.